Hello, future rich person. Today we will talk about stocks. What are stocks, really? Imagine a big, delicious pizza. A company can be like this pizza. Each slice is a small part. A stock is like one slice. It is a tiny piece of a company. You can own these pieces. When you buy a stock, listen well. You become a part owner of that company. Yes, you heard it right. You become a partner, a shareholder. It is like owning a tiny brick. A brick in a huge building. This means you have a stake in the company's future. Its successes can be your successes. Isn't that amazing to consider? Companies need money to grow. They sell these small pieces, the stocks. This helps them raise capital. Now, where do you buy these stocks? You buy them in the stock market. Think of a big, organized market, like a farmer's market, but for stocks. Here, people buy and sell shares of many different companies. It is a central meeting place for buyers and sellers. This market has a special name. In Brazil, it is called B3. B3 stands for Bolsa, Brazil, Balcão. It is our official stock exchange. This is where the magic happens. All major stock trading occurs here. B3 makes sure everything is fair. It ensures trades are transparent. It is a regulated environment. So, investors feel more secure. How are stock prices decided? It is mostly about supply and demand. If many people want to buy a stock, the price will likely go up. If many want to sell, the price will likely go down. Everything is electronic today. Why should you even bother with stocks? What are the real benefits here? Well, investing in stocks can be powerful. It is a way to grow your money, potentially more than savings accounts. Over the long term, this is key. It can help you build wealth, real wealth for your future. It is about making your money work. Work hard for you, day and night. One major benefit is capital appreciation. This means the value of your stock can go up. You buy a stock at one price. Later, its price might be higher. If the company does well, if it grows and makes more profit, its stock can become more valuable. This increase is your gain. Another great benefit is dividends. When a company makes a profit, it might decide to share some with its shareholders. This payment is called a dividend. It is like a reward for investing. Section 4. Ganhando dinheiro. Valorização e dividendos na prática. Let's see how you make money. We talked about appreciation, or valorização. Imagine you buy a stock. You pay 10 reais for one share. After some time, the company grows. Many people want its stock. The price of the share goes up. Now it is worth 15 reais. If you sell it, you make 5 reais. This 5 reais is your profit from appreciation. Now, let's talk more about dividends. These are your share of the profits. Imagine the company had a great year. It made a lot of money. The company decides to distribute, say 1 real per share as dividends. If you own 100 shares, you will receive 100 reais in dividends. Section 5. Tipos de ações: ordinárias, preferenciais e units. Not all stocks are created equal. There are different types of them. It is good to know the basics. This helps you choose better. The main types in Brazil are ações ordinárias, ON, ações preferenciais, PN, and also something called units. Let's understand each one simply. Ações ordinárias, or ON stocks. These are common stocks. If you own ON stocks, you usually get voting rights. Voting rights in shareholder meetings. You can help decide company matters. It is like having a voice. The ticker symbol often ends with 3. For example, VL3 or Peter 3. Next are ações preferenciais, or PN stocks. These are preferred stocks. They usually have priority in receiving dividends. However, PN stocks usually do not offer voting rights. Section 6. Primeiros passos para começar a investir. Ready to start this journey? Here are some clear steps for you. The very first step is crucial. Step 1. Educate yourself. Learn as much as you can. Read books, articles, watch videos. Understand the basics of investing. Understand risks and rewards. This guide is a starting point. Never stop learning, ever. Step 2. Choose a good broker. A corretora de valores is your gateway. It is the institution through which you buy and sell stocks on the B3. There are many brokers available. Compare their fees and platforms. Look for one that is reliable and easy for beginners to use. Many offer educational resources too. This choice is very important. Step 3. Define your investor profile. Are you conservative with money, or are you comfortable with more risk? This profile guides your choices. Section 7. Aprendizado contínuo. A chave do sucesso. Investing is not a one-time thing. It is not like buying a lottery ticket. It is a continuous journey of learning, a journey of growth and adaptation. The market is always changing. New trends emerge all the time. Economic conditions shift, so your knowledge must also grow. Commit to lifelong learning. This is the path to success. Stay informed about the world. Read financial news regularly. Understand how economic events can impact your investments. Things like interest rate changes, or inflation, or political news. These can affect stock prices. Being aware helps you make better decisions. It helps you navigate the market with more confidence and insight. Review your investment strategy. Do this from time to time.